Dear students, in my previous lecture, I find very good response from some of the students and, and they encourage me to proceed further. So, to continue the same chapter, today we are going to discuss mean, mode and median of the data. Okay, we starts with the questions. Marks of mathematics test of 15 students are recorded out of 100 are is following. The one student got 41 marks out of 100, second student got 39 marks out of 100, third student got 48 marks out of 100. In the same manner, somebody got 52 and somebody got 60 marks out of 100. We have to find mean, mode and median of the data. Today I will have to improve my speed to teach you people. We know very well key mean, and in a simple manner we can say it already as average. And what is the formula of mean or averages? Means sum of all observation upon total number of observation. Total number of observations. So what will we do? First we will make a sum of all these datas, 41 plus 39 plus 48 till 42 plus 52 plus 60, and we have already given that how many students do we have? 15 students. So we have total 15 observations, so the total number of observation will be 15. While we make a sum of all these data, we find 822 divided by 15 and we get 54.8. So we can say the marks, so the average marks, the mean of these marks is 58.4. In the second part, that is mode, we are very much familiar with this word. Mode means it is the value of the repeated maximum number of times of the digit in the given data. Mode, we can say key digit maximum number of times in given data. So while we observe, what we find, key which digit is repeated many times. 41 is one time, and 39, 48 one time, 52, 52 and 52. And similarly we will check all the other digits also. So what we find, okay, 52 is repeated maximum time. So mode is 52. And the third thing is median. That is very important. Actually it's depend upon the number of, it's depend on the number of observations. So how many observations do we have? 15. Since number of observation is 15, that is odd, so we have a formula for the odd numbers. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. The first step to solve to find the median is we will have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. The first step, that is arranging the data in ascending order. So when we arrange them, we find 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 46, 48, 52, 52, again 52, 54, 60, 62, 96, and then 98. So putting these values in the formula, median is equal to n. What we have, n is equal to 15. 15 plus 1 upon 2 means 16 by 2 means 8 observation. So counting from beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what the digit falls on the 8th observation, that is 52. So 52 is median. We have another type of the question. Now this is the question. The number of children in 10 families of a colony are. There are 10 families in a colony, and in which the first family has 2 members, the second family has 4 members, third family has 3 members. Similarly, the 10th family has 5 members in his or her family. We have to find mean, mode and median. We know very well these two things are very simple, as we have done in our previous question. Here I will focus on median. Why I am taking median only? Because here the number of observation is 10, that is even number. N is equal to 10, that is even. So in this case we have a different formula to find our median. Here formula will be, median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, and these will be divided by 2. So how many observations do we have? 10. So 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation, and their value will be divided by 2. To proceed further, it is 5th term plus, here will be 5th plus 1, that is 6th term, will be divided by 2. The 5th term value, before putting these values we have to arrange in ascending order. So the very first 1, 2, we have 3 times actually, so 3 times, and then 3, then again 3, then again 4, then we have 2 times 5. Okay, let's we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what is left here? 2, 2 and 2, 3 times 2, and 2 times 3, and 4 is also 2 times. So we have a 10 observations. So now putting the 5th number observations value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, it is 5th number's observation, and this is your 6th number observations value. So while putting, here is 3, and again 6 terms, 3 divided by 2, so here will be 6 by 2, that will be 3. So median will be 3. Now this is the last question. It is also a very different type of question. If the median of the given data is 63, find the value of x. We have some observations 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, and 95. By observing very minutely what we find that these data are already arranged in the ascending order. Okay, so let's find how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means even number, and we have a formula for the even number. It is your median is equal to n by 2 observations value plus n by 2 plus 1 observations value, and it will be divided by 2. And here we have been given that median of the given data is 63. So we have already given that is 63 is our median. So 63 n by 2th observation, 10th 10 by 2 observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. 63, it is 5th observation value, plus we have to put here 6th observation value and divided by 2. 63, what we observe, 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is x, and 6th term is x plus 2 divided by 2. So 63 is equal to, it is twice x plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, and 63 is multiplied by 2. Here we have 2x plus 2. It becomes your 126, and 2 will be transported from here, so minus becomes 2x, or we can say कि 2x is equal to 124, or we can say कि x is equal to 62. So this will be our answer. On the basis of these three examples, I will deliver you 20 questions, and I hope कि apart from Akash, Yash, and Arpita and Tanishq, other students will also show their interest and learn something. Thank you very much.